Hi, welcome to Chala Cooks. Today I'm going to show you how to make galette. First, make sure you have the following ingredients. Peel some potatoes. I use 2 large potatoes. Then, finely slice potatoes so it's cooked better and faster. Leave them on the side. Now, peel and slice 2 onions. For caramelized onions, add some olive oil, your sliced onions, add some salt, cook for a few minutes. Here a tip to make sure your galette becomes well cooked. I boil sliced potatoes first about 5 minutes, depending on how finely sliced potatoes are. Now my caramelized onions are finished. Also, my potatoes are finished. In a new clean pot, melt 45 grams of butter. Sprinkle some thyme, some black peppers, and salt, and melted butter, and your caramelized onions. Make sure to save some caramelized onions for toppings later. Now to the pastry. Prepare your pastry on a baking paper, and you should really do it on a baking tray rather than a cutting board like I done, as I find it way easier to transfer them to the oven later. Preheat an oven to 210 Celsius. Lay over half the potato mix. Half the cheese on top. Followed by the remaining potatoes. Add in the remaining cheese and the reserved caramelized onions. Fold the edges up and over the size of the potato. Brush with egg wash. And put it into the oven to cook for approximately 35 to 40 minutes. When your galette turns golden brown, it means that it's about to be finished. Yes, now it's done. Tonight I'm serving it with meatballs, but it pairs perfectly with any other side dish as well. Thank you for watching and please enjoy!